Everyone thinks success in finance belongs to the smartest person in the room.
The one who predicts markets, the one who takes big risks. But real wealth isn't built by talent. It's built by patience. Talent chases quick wins. Patience plays the long game. A talented investor might double money once, but lose it all the next time. A patient investor grows slowly, month after month, year after year. Here's the truth most people ignore. Compound interest doesn't reward intelligence. It rewards consistency. You don't need perfect timing. You need time in the market. The stock market transfers money from the impatient to the patient. People panic during crashes. Patient investors see discounts. People quit when results feel boring. Patient investors stay and win quietly. In finance, boredom is powerful. Repetition is powerful. Time is unbeatable. Talent might get you attention. Patience gets you freedom. So if you're not rich yet, relax. Stay consistent. Stay invested. Stay patient. Because in the end, patience always outperforms talent.